Plant pathology. Pathology originated from two Greek words, pathos Greek, equals suffering, logos equals to study. Study of the suffering plant. Do plants really suffer? Has two important components. 1. As a science. 2. As an art. The science and art of plant pathology. Two phases of plant pathology, pp. As a science it looks into the characteristics of diseases, their causes, plant pathogen interactions, factors affecting disease development in individual plants, and in populations, and various means of controlling diseases. As an art it deals with the application of the knowledge gained from studying the science. As a science, understand the nature of plant disease. 1. Cause etiology of plant disease. 2. Plant pathogen interaction. 3. Determine factors affecting disease development. 4. Study methods of control or management of diseases. As an art, process where science is made useful. Is doing or applying knowledge gained in science. 1. Plant disease diagnosis. 2. Assessment and forecasting. 3. Recommend control measure. Aim of plant pathology, to control or manage plant diseases, so that losses will be brought to a minimum. Plant pathology. 1. Introduction. Phytopathology, or plant pathology, deals with the nature, causes, and control of plant diseases. Nature of plant diseases: infectious or non-infectious, causes parasitic or non-parasitic. Plant pathologists, plant doctors. Characteristics of plant disease. 1. A malfunctioning process that results in suffering. 2. Generally harmful, detrimental. 3. Produces symptoms, histological and morphological abnormalities. 4. Caused by an agent. Vital processes of plants affected by disease. 1. Root absorption. 2. Uptake of water and minerals. 3. Photosynthesis. 4. Respiration. 5. Transport of photosynthates. 6. Reproduction. The science and art of plant pathology. Examples. 1. Diagnosis or recognition of particular disease. 2. Disease assessment and forecasting. 3. Recommendation of appropriate control. 4. Field application of suitable control measures. The science and art of plant pathology. The raison d'etre and ultimate objective of plant pathology, to prevent or minimize plant diseases, not only to increase food production, but also to maintain the quantity and quality of the harvested fresh commodity until it reaches the consumer. Importance of plant diseases. Plant diseases endanger food supply, reduce the quantity and quality of plant produce. 3. Cause financial losses. 4. Limit the kinds of plants and industries in an area. 5. Make plants poisonous to humans. 6. Increase cost of production due to control measures. Types of losses due to diseases. L. Losses due to reduction in yield. 2. Losses due to deterioration during storage, marketing, or transport. 3. Losses due to reduction in quality. 4. Losses from produce contaminated with toxins that cause various disorders and or death to animals and man. 5. Losses due to predisposition of hosts to attack by other pathogens. 6. Losses from increased cost of production mid-handling. Economic importance of plant diseases. 1. Man is dependent on plants for 1. Food. 2. Clothing. 3. Shelter. 4. Numerous luxuries. 5. Drugs, medicinal plants. 6. Source of income, ornamental plants. Multi-million-dollar industry. 7. The air that we breathe comes from plants. 8. Fossilized plants as source of coal. When diseases kill plants, all other forms of life on Earth are adversely affected. The economic importance of plant diseases. 2. Plant disease epidemics have caused human sufferings, deaths, and upheavals. Potato late blight disease, 1845 to 1846, Ireland. Coffee rust in Ceylon, now Sri Lanka. Ergot poisoning in Europe, 875 AD, caused by the fungus Claviceps purpurea, which produces sclerotia containing alkaloids that impede blood circulation. 3. Famines and malnutrition occurs in many parts of the world, Africa, Latin America, and Asia. The economic importance of plant diseases. 4. Disease cause enormous losses. U.S. lose over $4.6 million annually due to plant diseases. In the Philippines, the following that have caused enormous economic losses. A Kadang-Kadang disease of coconut, negative, first observed in 1918. Have caused the country loss of over $200 million. B. Downy mildew of corn, the nemesis of corn, loss can be as high as 95%, amounting to over P 170 M annually. The economic importance of plant diseases, now controlled by chemical seed treatment using metalaxyl, discovered in 1978 by Dr. X-Kand, caused by the fungus Paranosclerospora philippinensis Weston, Shaw. C. rice tungro disease, affected 70,000 has in 1971, negative 1.22 millions Cavan's rough rice valued at P 30,357,000, D. coffee rust Batangas province, E. citrus decline Batangas. Types of crop losses, A. Reduction in yield, B. Losses from deterioration during storage, marketing or transport, C. Reduction in quality of produce, citrus fruits with scabs, moldy cereals and other commodities, reduced strength and undesirable discoloration in wood pulp, D. Losses from produce contaminated with toxins that cause various disorders and/or death to animals, including man. Types of crop losses, aflatoxin mycotoxin produced by Aspergillus flavus, in stored corn, sorghum, copra, root crops, etc. Acratoxin mycotoxin produced by A. Acraceus, cause cancer of the liver. Yellow rice toxins, formed by Penicillium spp, cause several deaths in Japan. Estrogenic factor in corn produced by Fusarium graminearum, causes testes of young male swine to atrophy and uteri of female pigs to enlarge. And types of crop losses, fumonazins formed by Fusarium spp, in corn grains, cause esophageal cancer in man and toxic to animals like horses. E. Losses due to predisposition of host to attack by other pathogens. Examples: nematode injuries on roots, serve as ports of entry for other pathogens. Types of crop losses, F. Losses from increased cost of production and handling, negative cost of culling diseased commodities for marketing and processing. The importance of plant diseases may be underscored by a quotation from Herbert H. Wetzel, "For what will it profit us if all the ills and diseases of the human race be banished, and we then face starvation because of diseases and pests of our food plants?" Examples of severe losses caused by plant diseases, Discase. Location, comments, fungal. 1. Cereal rusts, worldwide, frequent severe epidemics, huge annual losses. 2. Circle smuts, worldwide, continuous, although lesser, losses on all grains. 3. Ergot of rye and wheat, worldwide, infrequent, poisonous to humans and animals. 4. Late blight of potato, cool, humid climates, annual epidemics, c.g., Irish famine, 1845 to 1846. 5. Brown spot of rice, Asia, epidemics, c.g., the Great Bengal famine, 1943. 6. Southern cornleaf blight, U.S., historical interest, epidemic, 1970, $1 billion lost. 7. Powdery mildew of grapes, worldwide, European epidemics, 1840s negative 1850s. 8. Downy mildew of grapes, U.S. Europe, European epidemic, 1870s negative 1880s. 9. Downy mildew of tobacco, U.S. Europe, European epidemic 1950s negative 1960s, epidemic in North America, 1979. 10. Chestnut blight, U.S., destroyed almost all American chestnut trees, 1904 to 1940. 11. Dutch elm disease, U.S. Europe, destroying American elm trees, 1918 to present. 12. Pine stem rusts, worldwide, causing severe losses in many areas. 13. Dwarf mistletoes, worldwide, serious losses in many Arcus. 14. Coffee rust, Asia, South America, destroyed all coffee in Southeast Asia, 1870s negative 1880s since 1970 present in South and Central America. 15. Banana leaf spot or sigatoka, Discask, worldwide, great annual losses. 16. Rubber leaf blight, South America, destroys rubber tree plantations. 17. Fusarium scab of wheat, North America, severe losses in wet years. Viral. 18. Sugar cane mosaic, worldwide, great losses on sugar cane and corn. 19. Sugar beet yellows, worldwide, great losses every year. 20. Citrus tristeza, quick decline, Africa, Americas, millions of trees being killed. 21. Swollen shoot of cacao, Africa, continuous heavy losses. 22. Plum pox or sharka, Europe, North America, spreading severe epidemic on plums, peaches, apricots. 23. Barley yellow dwarf, worldwide, important on small grains worldwide. 24. Tomato yellow leaf curl, Mediterranean countries, Caribbean basin, U.S., severe losses of tomatoes, beans, etc. 25. Tomato spotted wilt virus, worldwide, on tomato, tobacco, peanuts, ornamentals, etc. Bacterial, 26. Citrus canker, Asia, Africa, Brazil, U.S., caused eradication of millions of trees in Florida in 1910s and again in the 1980s and 1990s. 27. Fire blight of pome fruits, North America, Europe, kills numerous trees annually. 28. Soft rot of vegetables, worldwide, huge losses of fleshy vegetables. Phytoplasmal, 29. Peach yellows, Eastern U.S. Russia, historical, 10 million peach trees killed. 30. Pear decline, Pacific Coast states and Canada, 1960s, Europe, millions of pear trees killed. Nematode discases, 31. Root knot, worldwide, continuous losses on vegetables and most other plants. 32. Sugar beet cyst nematode, Northern Europe, Western U.S., continuous severe annual losses on sugar beets. 33. Soybean cyst nematode, Asia, North and South America, continuous serious losses on soybeans.